If you are producing celebratory content, party prep videos, event reviews or unboxing shorts, this 30-inch Hello Kitty dressed in pink foil balloon ASIN B00CXQ7U30 makes an immediate, high-impact visual. The listing shows a large, bright, pre-printed foil balloon with Hello Kitty in a pink outfit. It's big, roughly 30 inches, designed to be inflated with helium or air, and includes an automatic sealing valve so you don't need to knot it. That automatic seal and the size are the features to highlight in any review. 30 inches gives a strong visual on camera, and the self-sealing valve makes setup quick and mess-free. Perfect for event decorators, parents prepping birthday videos, or vloggers who want an instant prop that looks polished. Customer feedback on similar large foil balloons tends to praise visual impact and durability when handled correctly. Pros: very photogenic, great for wide camera shots, easy to inflate and usually holds helium for many days if properly sealed. Cons to be honest about: foil balloons can tear if snagged, helium top-up may be needed for extremely long events, and some sellers ship multiple variants. So check the item image's size in the listing before you buy. Also mention safety. Keep balloons away from small children's mouths, choking hazard, and dispose responsibly. Foil balloons can damage wildlife or power lines if released outdoors. In review footage, show inflation, how the valve seals, and a close-up of the printed Hello Kitty art to reassure viewers that the design and finish are crisp. For the call to action, say something like, if you are planning a Hello Kitty themed party or just want a standout prop for footage, this Hello Kitty foil balloon is an inexpensive and eye-catching option. We share by links in description box. That line closes the review and gives a direct prompt for viewers to click through.